Hi there, in this video I'm going to go through a past exam question on roots. So let's take a look. So for question number 3, we're given that the equation kx squared plus 12x plus k is equal to 0, where k is a positive constant, has equal roots. Find the value of k. Now remember, there is a condition for equal roots to occur, so let's go back to the paper and pen. So remember, if you're given the quadratic ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, for equal roots, so remember this condition, b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So this is the condition for equal roots. So the values of a, b and c come from your quadratic. A is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant in your quadratic. So let's apply the condition. So in this case, a, if I make a comparison, a coefficient of x squared is k, b is the coefficient of x being plus 12, c, the constant, is plus k. So this is what a, b and c are. If I replace a, b and c into the condition, we're going to have b, which is 12, don't forget the square, minus the 4, a, which is replaced by k, multiplied by c, which is k, which is equal to 0 according to the condition. So let's multiply. So 12 squared is 144, minus 4 times k is 4k squared, which is equal to 0. If I bring the minus 4k squared then to the right hand side, we're going to have as a result 4k squared is equal to 144. And if we divide both sides by 4, k squared will be 144 divided by 4, which is 36. So therefore k will be plus or minus the root of 36. So it's plus or minus the root of 36, which is plus or minus 6. Now if we go back to the question, it did say that k is a positive constant, so k in this case is plus 6. So let me just mention that k is a positive constant. That is the reason why we're discounting the minus 6. So remember the condition that is vital for you to do this problem is that for equal roots, b squared minus 4ac, the discriminant, is equal to 0. So do remember these conditions. So that completes the question, and that sadly ends this video. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you found this video useful. If you did enjoy the video, a like rating is very much appreciated. Do plenty of practice related problems, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.